on a little adventure with my friends Diane and Billy. We're in Alva, Oklahoma right now. We're gonna stay at her daughter's, hang out in the camper, and just have some fun this weekend. And I brought you guys along.
All the good times just begun.
Now, hi.
Welcome to Evening Shade.
Good job.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
Hey everybody, I'm so glad you're here. In this video, we're in Alva, Oklahoma. My friend Diane called me up the other night and said, hey, do you want to go to Alva for my little granddaughter's birthday party? I said yes, threw some stuff in a bag, and off we went. Of course, they brought their beautiful Avion camper that I've been dying to stay in, and her husband Billy is gonna show me some things and give me some pointers so when I start my full-time nomad life, I'll be ready. We arrived in Alva, Oklahoma Thursday night. We decided we were just going to park at her daughter's house in the yard. And I hope y'all enjoy this video as much as I did. It's going to be a fun weekend. All right. I bought a mini waffle iron, the retro color. Makes really good little waffles. Give me some iced coffee. Delicious. Needs more ice.
hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
I sealed them with a bolt.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. So you sealed them.
Well, whenever I bought it, they had this screwed solid, this piece, and I put all this together and put this curve in it, but they just had bolts or screws ran through the frame.
Right.
And took it apart. Seeing they're short.
So if you don't want it as high, or okay. That was my fault.
I bet it's pretty dirty under there.
Were those always there? Were those always there?
No, I put them there.
Cool. Oh, sorry.
See the old sign? Can't really tell it was a sign.
So you made it out of an old metal sign?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, the sign was probably worth more than
Right? Right? This is cool. So you just designed it and made it to fit. That's cool. I know. I wish I knew what that old sign was.
Spray painted over it. I don't remember what it was.
That's cool. He has two different sizes. Nice. I don't think the wind's gonna bother it.
Yeah,
Look,
these
they're
are
not.
pretty tough too.
Yeah.
This ain't very big one down there. See, and it folds up into that.
Oh wow, easy glide. Well, that was easy. Right?
Covers over there that keeps this shaded out. These are definitely, you know, this stuff's 35 years old, 36 years old. And I actually pulled this thing out of the pasture, out of the field.
Wow, how long had it been sitting there?
I don't know.
Wow.
I don't always take too long. I'm the third owner of it, and I know the people that bought it new in '86.
Wow. So 3 owners. It's what year?
It's an '86.
An 86.
It's a 32S motor.
And don't worry, people, we're going to get a complete walkthrough.
86 or 36.
You said 86. Gonna get a complete walkthrough when he's finished with the inside. I think the inside's beautiful already, but
If you want something to do, buy an RV. You'll have plenty to do. Always something.
right. Yeah, with it halfway down, still filters light. See. Oh, that's cool. That's nice. Still have privacy. Still have privacy, but get some light. I like it. Okay, so it was time to eat dinner, and Diane's daughter wanted to take us all out to a German restaurant in Winoka, Oklahoma. I'll take y'all along, let you get a sneak peek.
Remember this place?
Down there by the window.
Fine, how are you?
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but
That's cool, the flag. Flag. That's cool. Oh, I know.
oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life.